I want to show you how to make an additional $100,000 in your business right now. Now, it's quite simple, but once you start moving backwards from the $100,000 figure and break it down per month, per week, per day, what needs to be made, I think you'll find this a little bit easier. Now, you might be working, you might not be working right now, but let's just say you want to make an additional $100,000 right now in your business. So I'm going to take my handy dandy calculator out and I'm going to break it down for you and how you can make this possible. $100,000 is not a lot of money. So let's go on the low end with 100,000. If I want to make $100,000, if I divide that by 12, then somehow I'm going to have to create something that is making 80, 83.33 exactly in my business. Okay, so 83.33, see that number? Got it? And that number might still seem a little big for you, so let's break it down. 4 weeks in a month, so let's divide that by 4. Now that says $2,083 each week needs to be deposited into my account in order to make the $100,000. $2,083 needs to be made. All right, so let's call it Friday is going to be the payday. Still want to break it down one more time. 2,083 divided by 5 days in a week. 5 days. We just want to work 5 days in a week. Divided by 5. And that means some product, some course, some service that you provide has to have at least a deposit of $416 every single day. Is that possible? Well, yes, it is. Digital marketing is the place where you want to focus on creating either a course or an ebook. You have something that no one else can do, and you do it very well. And you probably do it right now for free. So I want you to think about something that you do right now for free. Let's just say you are making web pages. You're an awesome graphic artist, all right? Or maybe you're awesome at knitting. Whatever it is that you do, you can create a course or you can create an ebook around that type of information. So as you're making that information available to people, they're buying it. Now, what if you had sales, you had ads, you were doing promotions, and you were just showing up online and people are buying your course? You just need at least one course sold for $416 each and every day, just for 5 days a week to get you $100,000. Now, I'm going to invite you to 2 ways to help get that idea started. I'm a business coach. I have to be surrounded by people who make more money than me, and I have to be able to get this information back to the masses of people. So my coaching clients rely on, hey, Lorie, do you have what we need in order for me to make this money happen? And yes, I do. I want to be your coach. So inside of the Royale Business Academy, you're going to find over 50 different business ideas. Yes, over 50. Last I looked at it, it was probably touching about 60. And it has at least 400 done for you products in there that you can resell. So I have nothing else to even have to sell when I know that everything is inside this course to help you get started. How to start your business, how to market it, how to get paid in your business, how to get business funding. And it's also going to give you some cheat ideas of here are some business ideas to help you get that extra money you said. So I just did $100,000 scenario. You may want 300,000, 600,000 or more in your business extra. Let's work on what that is. Come inside the inner circle. The community is where you need to be to put all of these ideas together. Join the Royale Business Academy, pick your business. Let's figure out how to get that started and then come to the inner circle so that we can continue the process of helping you stay in business. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Your coach is signing out.